Hello TRI, and welcome to the Introduction to Algo Trading course. This is week 1 of 7 of Algo Trading Level 1. For the first week, I'll be breaking down the essentials, and some major topics that I'll be covering include some details about us, your instructors, and what our objectives are for you guys by the end of this course. More information on defining algos and their use cases with trading, as well as the landscape for using TradingView with algo trading. And while we have some time, I'll also be touching topics that include the current landscape for algo trading with cryptocurrencies, specifically to do with the algorithm strategies used, as well as the breakdown of 3 commas and AutoView as an order execution management system. We'll also touch more bases on TradingView as a signal generator and some of the costs associated with getting started. Okay. To start, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Reza Degani. I have a background in algo trading, private equity, banking, and information systems. I currently have a BBA from Simon Fraser University. I'm a TRI Level 1 graduate, and I hold both CSC and IFIX certifications. You can email me anytime at reza@blockvision.ca and message me on Rocket Chat. Just keep in mind that I live in Pacific Standard Time. Andrew Chung, he is the second instructor. You'll be getting to know him more throughout the weeks. I also met him at Simon Fraser University, and he's currently in the Business Administration program. He's a TRI Level 2 grad, and he has a deep understanding of technical analysis, ICO due diligence, and audio engineering. You can also email him anytime at andrew@blockvision.ca. Rocket Chat also works as well, and he lives in the same time zone as us. So let's get to it. Defining algorithms. What is an algo? So an algo is a defined set of rules that can be based off of any type of variable. In this case, for a trading use case, we'll be basing it off of price, location, momentum, and structure. These are just some of the variables used to define an algo. And as what Brian likes to mention a lot in his TRI Level 1 and 2 programs, you typically want to trade your setups as if you are an algo. Very similar, I guess, to the Boolean function, where you use if, and else to define what your rules are. In this case, a model, or an algo model, is defined by including a variety of different indicators or signals pertaining to different rules, such as price, or location, or momentum, or whatever it may be. And algo trading specifically is the process of using computers programmed to follow a defined set of instructions for placing a trade to generate profits at speeds impossible at human levels. So before moving forward, the real reason why many people say to trade like an algo is because of the whole emotion factor. When you take emotion out of the picture when it comes to speculative trading, especially in high risk or high volatility asset classes like crypto, it takes a lot of stress off one's minds. And this is all done automatically with the condition that you periodically check your accounts to make sure everything is running smoothly. But I guess going forward, we'll be breaking down algo trading in different markets. And ironically enough, algo trading has only become a tool available to the public maybe in the past decade or so. Prior to a decade ago, it was purely institutional based, and it was nowhere close to the amount of volume it had today. We were thinking back then perhaps 10% or 15% of the total volume of most asset classes. Now, in most asset classes, you have algos running 60 to 90% of the daily volume. So this takes a huge toll on day traders and makes the markets much more inefficient.